Welcome to the CarsNew channel. This time, we will discuss the 2027 Nissan Navara Pro-4X revealed. Nissan has officially lifted the curtain on its all-new Navara Pro-4X, previewing what buyers can expect from the upcoming 2027 model year. A pickup that blends rugged capability, modern technology, and distinctive styling to compete with segment leaders across global markets. A bold new generation, built on established strength, the latest Navara marks a major generational shift for Nissan's midsize pickup line. Unveiled as part of the all-new DE27 Navara platform, the Pro-4X sits at the top of the range with unique styling cues and enhanced off-road credentials. Underneath, the new Navara represents Nissan's evolved approach. The truck shares its robust ladder frame architecture with the 6th-generation Mitsubishi Triton thanks to Alliance collaboration. Yet Nissan engineers have worked to refine handling, ride comfort, and capability to suit diverse conditions from urban roads to remote trails. Pro-4X, the off-road champion. The Pro-4X label has long stood for Nissan's most adventure-ready Navara variants, and the 2027 edition doubles down on that reputation. Early reveals and concept previews show a more muscular exterior with blacked-out accents, aggressive geometry, and equipment aimed at both capability and presence. Key highlights expected from the new Pro-4X include distinctive rugged styling with black grille elements, bold fender flares, and off-road focused accents that set it apart from lower trims. All-terrain capability with standard 4x4, all-terrain tires on unique 17-inch wheels, and utility systems such as Nissan's Utility track bed hooks for secure cargo loading, towing and payload prowess, retaining a class-competitive 3,500 kg brake towing capacity for trailers and adventure gear. Although official powertrain details for the 2027 Navara Pro-4X are still forthcoming, its predecessors have been powered by Nissan's reliable 2.3-liter twin-turbo diesel delivering around 140 kW and 450 Nm, figures likely to carry over or be refined in the new generation. Concept to reality. Warrior influence, a concept closely linked with the Pro-4X reveal. The Navara Pro-4X Warrior offers clues to the off-road identity Nissan is shaping up. Unveiled alongside the D27 Navara prototype, this concept showcases lifted suspension, wider track design, and rugged protection elements that signal what an enhanced production variant might offer. Developed in partnership with Australian specialist Premcar, the Warrior concept builds on Pro-4X foundations and hints at where Nissan could take future models in terms of capability and adventure-ready features, tech, comfort, and everyday usability. Inside, the 2027 Navara Pro-4X promises to keep pace with modern expectations. While exact cabin specs for the global model are yet to be fully confirmed, the new Navara range emphasizes driver-friendly tech like advanced infotainment with smartphone integration, modern safety systems, and comfort-oriented appointments that elevate daily usability. Nissan's focus on blending workhorse toughness with lifestyle appeal means the Pro-4X isn't just about conquering trails, it's about doing so with confidence, convenience, and connectivity. Looking ahead to 2027, although sales in many regions are expected to begin in late 2026 or early 2027, Nissan's reveal of the Pro-4X has already shifted attention to this pickup as a serious contender in the midsize segment. By combining proven durability with fresh design and capability upgrades, the 2027 Nissan Navara Pro-4X looks set to redefine what buyers expect from a rugged daily driver and off-road companion.